In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portrait cartoon photo in Canva. This is a straightforward process that can be done in just 5 minutes, and it's perfect if you're looking to add a fun and unique touch to your images. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Canva. If you're not familiar, Canva is an online tool that's incredibly user-friendly and allows you to make a variety of designs easily. You don't need any prior design experience, so don't worry if you're a beginner. Once you're in Canva, the next step is to create a design. You'll have plenty of format options to choose from, so think about where you plan to use your cartoon portrait. If it's for social media, perhaps go with an Instagram post format, or if it's for a personal project, choose whatever size that fits your need best. Now, you'll want to head over to the Upload section, which is located on the left side of the screen. This is where you will upload the portrait photo that you want to transform into a cartoon. Click on the Uploads button, find your photo on your device, and bring it into Canva. After your photo is uploaded, you simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. This will be the base for your cartoon-style transformation. Once your photo is in place, click on it, and then select the Edit Image option. This is a crucial part of the process, as it allows you to modify your photo using various effects. In the Edit Image menu, scroll through the available effects. Here, you should try different filters to see which gives your portrait the best cartoon-like appearance. There are options designed specifically for achieving that illustrative look, so experiment until you find one that meets your expectations and style. Once you have applied the desired filter, navigate to the Elements tab on the left side of the screen. You'll want to search for elements that fit the cartoon aesthetic you're aiming for. Here, you can get creative with your search terms to find the perfect elements to enhance your photo. After adding a few additional elements, it's time to add a cartoon background to tie everything together. This step is optional, but it can really make your portrait pop when set against a whimsical or colorful backdrop. Finally, with everything in place, you're ready to download your creation. Click on the Share button at the top right, then select the PNG format for downloading. PNG is a great choice because it preserves the quality of your image. Save it to your device, and voila! You've just created a unique and personalized cartoon portrait ready to share with friends or use in your projects. And there you have it, a fun and creative cartoon version of your portrait photo, all thanks to Canva's versatile platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy bringing your images to life in this playful new way.